I'm back. Today I'm going to make you all a healthy dish. And this is what's going to be jumping in my pot. Chickpea masala. Let's get to it. Now, this is the first step. I have a Dutch oven here, and I'm going to turn it to medium high. I have some oil in it. I'm using canola oil. Now, we're going to add the diced onions to the oil with the garlic. Then I'm going to grate some ginger. Then we're going to stir this up and let it cook for about a minute to 2 minutes. We're going to add some salt to the onion, some green chili slice, some coriander, and then we're going to stir this up and let this saute up for about a minute to 2 also.
This looks like it's going to be a really spicy dish.
Somewhat.
Well, that don't bother me because I generally eat chickpeas. I'm the one who like chickpeas. So, and spice, I like spices.
Okay.
I could smell the spices coming up while you're frying it up like that. Smell it from the peppers.
Now, we're going to add the chili powder, the turmeric. Now I'm going to add some cardamom.
Don't forget, everybody, the ingredients will be in the description box below. And please like, share, subscribe, and comment so we can get in that algorithm. Thanks.
Now we're going to add the crushed tomatoes. Stir that up. Then we're going to add water to this. Stir this up. Then we're going to add some cilantro, fresh. Then we're going to add the chickpeas. And we're going to add the ground masala.
If you can't find the ingredients for the ground masala in the supermarket, you could make it yourself, right?
Yes, you can make it yourself.
And the ingredients for this will be in the description box as well with the rest of the recipe.
Now, we're going to cover the pot up and let this simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now, let's see if it's ready for the next step. Okay.
Wow. It's coming together. It's like a snow.
Yes, it is. Yeah, now it's ready. What we're going to do next is turn it off, add the fresh squeezed lemon juice, and some more fresh cilantro. We're going to stir this up.
This is a really healthy budget dish. This doesn't require a lot of money to make. You can get a can of chickpeas for about $1.25. You can get crushed tomatoes anywhere, and all the other spices you should already have in your cabinet. So this is pretty easy to make and pretty cheap. And you can eat this with naan bread, pita bread, rice for those who want it with rice, or just eat it as is, which how I'm going to eat it with some fish on the side. That's what I'm going to eat it with later.
So now it's time to serve it up. It's all served up. Enjoy. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. And I will see you soon with another video. Bye. Hit that like button.